Hello and welcome to Schoolhouse by the Sea. I'm Miss Sylvia, and today we're going to do an activity called Color Code. With this activity, you'll be figuring out whether the letters in your spelling list are consonants or vowels, and you'll be looking for patterns that those consonants and vowels make together. So let's get started. To do this activity, you are going to need a pen or a pencil, a red colored pencil, a blue colored pencil, some blank paper, and your spelling list. Your spelling list should be something that you get from either a teacher or an adult who is helping you learn, but you can also make your own spelling list. If you do that, make sure that you choose words that are meaningful to you, and make sure that every word you choose is a word that you're spelling correctly so that you practice it correctly. They don't have to be words you already know how to spell, but make sure that if you choose them, that you check with an adult to make sure each one is spelled carefully, or you check with a dictionary to make sure that your version is the proper version. So, to start this activity, we are going to first write each of our words really carefully. I know the first word is dog, D-O-G, dog. Our second word is cat, C-A-T, cat. Our third word is dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Now for this activity, what I really need to do is find the consonants and vowels. I always remember my vowels through a song that I learned from the TV show Muzzy that teaches language. I know from that vowels are A-E-I-O-U, I love you. A-E-I-O-U. We're going to be doing all of our vowels in blue. So A, E, I, O, or U, anytime we see them, we're going to trace them in blue. All of the other letters are called consonants. And consonants are always going to be written in red. We're going to trace each letter in red whenever we see a consonant. Not all the letters here in the word consonants are consonants. Consonants are only the letters that are not A, E, I, O, or U. So when we look at the word dog, D, is that an A, E, I, O, or U? It's not. So we're going to make it in red. Trace carefully using your best handwriting and making that letter even better than you did the first time. How about O? A, E, I, O, or U? There it is. It's an O. So we're going to make it blue. How about the G? It's not an A, E, I, O, or U. So we are going to make it red. Tracing really carefully over that G. So dog is spelled with a consonant, vowel, consonant, D-O-G. Let's check cat. C, I know is a consonant because it's not an A, E, I, O, or U. A, well, that's the first vowel we mentioned. So I know that that is a vowel and it's going to be blue. I'm going to make it much more carefully than I made it the first time. My T, that's not an A, E, I, O, or U, so I'm going to make it in red. C-A-T, that's another consonant, vowel, consonant. What patterns do you see? As you look at your spelling list, I bet you're going to find lots of different patterns. Notice what there is to see and keep track of it in your mind so you can keep seeing if other words follow those patterns too. Let's do dolphin. D is a consonant. And I know O is a vowel because it's one of the ones we've written up here, A-E-I-O-U. L isn't one of those letters, so it's a consonant. P and H are working together to make a whole new consonant sound. F, dolphin. The I of the I, that's definitely a vowel, and it ends with a consonant. This word is much longer, but you might notice that it follows some of the patterns that you might see above. As you go through your whole list, what patterns do you see? Are they the same as mine? Are they different? Take a look and enjoy.